Now that we created our AI agent and follow-up message, we can test it out. So let's press preview on the node and let's see what we get. Let's say yes, please. Let's go with last name Doe. Actually, my first name is John. So let's go with that. And let's provide the email. Let's say johndoe@doe.com. If all goes well, after capturing all the 3 user details that we set up, it should now fetch the available time slot. So let's take a look. Perfect. Thank you for providing your email, John. Now let's move on to select a date for your appointment. And to ensure that these are properly fetched, let's take a look at the bot user details to see if our time slot JSON field has been filled. So if we take a look here and scroll down, we indeed see that the time slot has been filled, and we have the 25th, the 26th, and the 27th, along with a series of available times. It seems that the times are pretty similar towards each other, ending at 14:30, starting at 8 a.m. Knowing that, let's continue back towards the conversation. Okay, so let's do the 27th. Okay, and indeed we do get all of the time slots from 8 a.m. all the way to 2:30 p.m. So let's say if we can do 2 p.m., that would be great. You've selected February 27th, 2025 at 2 p.m. for your appointment. Here are the appointment details. So let's say, yes, looks good. And once done, it should provide a confirmation detail, as you can see here, that this is only sent if the booking has been successful. So if you remember inside of the workflow that we attached to create the actual booking appointment, as we can see here, if the user has a successful booking appointment and the action does not return a request failed, then we have returned this one. The appointment has successfully been booked. Otherwise, we would have received this one. So as you can see, the AI booking assistant is a really easy to set up AI agent, and it's just one of many, many use cases that we can use this amazing feature for. So we built a booking agent in less than an hour, and this allowed us to be able to have a really good backend where we have just 2 backend flows to fetch the available time slot and then save it and do the booking. And then inside the default agent flow, we just have one node that handles the entire conversation.